This is actually a Delta women appreciation video. I want to appreciate women from Delta State, especially those from Urhobo, Okpe, Isoko. Those women, I appreciate you now. Guy, do you know why I'm appreciating them? I don't slander them in the past for different reasons. I'm not going to talk the reason why they slander them because it's an appreciation video. But women from Delta State, they too cook. Jesus, they cook. See, in Nigeria, I don't think any woman, I've seen women that cook more than Delta State women. Their food too, they sweet. This is coming from me that was born in Sapele, Delta State. I schooled in Abraka. See, now I'm not staying in Delta State again, but one thing I know about them that you cannot even take from them, they cook. Jesus, if you chop Delta woman banga soup, you can't chop another banga soup from another place. It not gonna be the same thing. You don't see Owo soup and starch, Owo beans. They too get food for Delta State. They enjoy. Urhobo women, Okpe women, Isoko, those people. I don't know of the rest, all those Delta Ibo and Kwale and Ukwal. I don't know those ones. But the main Urhobos, the Isokos, the Okpes, I think the Shekiris to some extent, they cook. Die. If you see roadside food, you go buy roadside food that time for Abraka. Roadside food go dey taste like in a restaurant, like big restaurant food. Their rice dey be like party jollof. Now, see, I never thought, because they don't to spoil me with food, I never thought some people can make stew that does not come out nice. I thought stew is a normal food that anybody can make. Till I traveled, I'm not gonna talk where I travel go when I buy stew. I know fit chop stew. Kai! Stew oh! Abeg, Delta people, una too cook. Delta women, una too cook. Take your flowers, abeg. Take am.